What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I will be showing you how to link and share a TikTok with somebody on the TikTok app itself. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, basically what this is going to do is create a link for you to any TikTok that you want to send over to your friends, and you could just copy and paste this link, and upon clicking on it, it's going to jump right over to the TikTok app and right over to the TikTok that you want them to see, and they could interact with it like so.
That's a fucking mistake.
So I'm just on the app myself here on my For You page. So this is just a random one that I came across here. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use this one. And on that toolbar to the right there, you could actually see the little arrow going out with the share icon all the way at the bottom right-hand corner, if you don't know what I'm talking about. And unfortunately, for whatever reason, TikTok made this menu way more confusing than it needs to be because there's so many other different options and colors. You might get distracted, which might be why you're on this video. But the first bar all the way at the top there, the fifth to the right, is going to be the link icon. And it's a little blue icon with the white chain link. As you can see, I clicked on it there, and I just went to my Notes app just to paste it in and show you what I'm talking about. And upon pasting it in, all I have to do is click on it, and it's not only going to take me to the TikTok itself on the website, but it's going to jump over right to the app with me, and I'm already signed in on my account. I could like, comment, and interact with it, and scroll to other ones, just like I could if I was inside of the app itself.
That's a fucking mistake.
That's all I got for you for today's video, though. If you had any questions or were confused on how to do this at all, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, if you enjoyed this video and found this helpful, like, subscribe, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.